Two SHEIN packages and we're gonna unbox them together. I'm gonna be starting with the smaller one, so let's get into it. Oh. Alright, so the package is opened. I'm going to do the little throw out thing. Yeah. We always see them do. Item number 1. This feels really good. Like the material on this feels really good. I'm gonna be putting all the items and the prices on the screen. This is the first dress. I got mostly dresses, guys, because dresses are just my vibe these days. Grab and go. Me not feel think too much. Say, okay, which top mega wear with this bottom, or which bottom mega wear with this top. Grab a dress and go. Life hack. Take it from me. This dress now, it has a little one shoulder vibe, sleeveless over this side. This sleeve, you have a little ruffle thing going on, very cute. So I really love this detailing. And then towards the side, you also have some ruffles. Also has a bit of ruched detailing going on right below the waist. And then the rest of the dress is just plain. I really love the color. This is how the back looks. The material feels very thick and durable. I love it. Love, love, love. On to the next item. Just a plain t-shirt dress, and I have like I have over 10 of these already, and I got a few more colors in this package and probably the next one. I'm not sure. My husband has some navy blue stuff, so I got this too. You know, a little matchy vibes. It has batwing sleeves. It also comes with 2 pockets. These are what I've been wearing for like for the past month. Whenever I have errands to run, I just throw on one of these. I'm good. All right, moving on. This is a bodycon dress. There is ruching at the side and also the sleeves at the top right here, and that does it for me. Otherwise from that is just a plain little black dress that every girl needs. So yeah, in this package we just have 2 items left. So this is the penultimate item in that package. It's basically another errands dress. This one has a bow at the side. The rest of it is plain. I usually go for simple stuff with a little bit of detailing, so you know, we're not doing too much. I love black, by the way. Black is like my second favorite color, or shade if you would say. Yeah. Then the last item, not the last item, but the last item in this package, the brown dress to the navy blue. Again, my husband has brown stuff, so I had to make sure I get this dress in brown, so you know, we can look cute running errands and comfy. Let me know your favorite item from that package. This is the big package. More dresses. Like, I feel like more than 50% of these items are dresses, to be honest. This I got for church. Different shades of blue, as you can see. So it has this blue, royal blue, and also polka dot. It also has the little ruffle sleeves. So it ruffle sleeves, zipper at the back. And apart from that, it's flared at the bottom. Material feels soft and nice as well. Not too thick, not too thin. So I definitely love this, and I'm looking forward to wearing it to church. Yay. I did not realize that it was just dresses that I ordered in these packages, to be very honest with you. But we are working with it. Actually, there is something in it for my husband, but apart from that, just dresses. Like, I don't know. This is the next dress. So this part in the middle right here is ribbed, very thick, very nice, puffy sleeves. And then for the bottom, it has like this beige and black stripe thing going on with some little curls. Hear me about curls, like a hair. It's also a flared dress. I got this one for church as well, also looking forward to wearing it. Alright, so this is the royal blue to the other two pocket dresses, brown and the navy blue that I showed you guys in the other package. So we're not gonna spend any time on this because it's just another color. If I like it, I'm just gonna get it in another color and another color and another color. So I'm gonna take an intermission from the dresses. This is what I got for my husband, and it's like a two-piece shirt and short set, but I'm not gonna show you guys because it's a surprise for him and he's gonna watch this video even though we're gonna give him right after the video, but it doesn't matter. So we have 3 dresses left. This is one of them. I actually have the black to this dress, v-neck. It has this cute little detailing at the bottom. You can wear this with a nice little necklace. This is perfect for like a semi-formal event, or you know, you go to church and you don't want to too much, because I've worn the black one to this to church already and I got a lot of compliments, so I definitely had to get it in another color. Oh, and this was like $3, guys. It was just a few of them left in my size, so you know who could have left it, because what? Okay, we got something in our favorite color. Well, my favorite color. I'm in love with how bright and vibrant the color looks. Another one of those dresses that you would put on if you're going to the supermarket, a little evening dress, getting ice cream dress, stuff like that. At the top is like a regular tee, and then towards the bottom flared, of course, and yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Oh, the material is nice. I have to tell you guys that because quality is something that we try to get. Always read the reviews and always check the sizing information. To be honest, I don't have a favorite from this haul because I love all these dresses and I can't wait to wear them. Down to the final item, and this is for my girls who love pink. So you know I couldn't leave you guys out, never. I got this multi-pink dress. So we start off at the top with light pink and then we get darker as we go down. I just love the layering on this, and then the sleeves, this button towards the back. I think this is also a very versatile dress. I'm trying to get more girly stuff, you know. Yeah, so this is really cute. I'm actually gonna be doing a try on haul on my TikTok at some point. I'm not going to give you guys like a specific time because I do have another package that I am going to be doing a TikTok video for from scratch, unboxing and try on haul. So after that, sometime after that, I'm going to try these on as well. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite item or items down in the comments. I'm going to be leaving the links to the items in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a thumbs up, drop a comment, share this video with a friend that loves clothes, that loves dresses. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more unboxings, more hauls, vlogs, all that good stuff. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.